In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the URL for your lead magnet in Kit. Having a clean, memorable URL for your lead magnet makes it much easier to share, and it also looks more professional. Instead of a long random link, you can create something simple like yourbrand.ck.page/freebie that people can remember and type in easily. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through the exact place in your Kit dashboard where you can make this change. First, log into your Kit account and head to the main navigation at the top. Look for the section labeled Grow. This is where Kit keeps all the tools related to building and growing your audience. Hover over or click on Grow, and from the drop-down options, choose Landing Pages and Forms. This area contains all of the landing pages and opt-in forms you've already created. Once you're on that page, find the specific landing page you want to customize. This will be the landing page that delivers your lead magnet, such as a free guide, checklist, or template. Click on the title of that page to open its settings and editor. At the top right of the screen, you'll see a toolbar. In that toolbar, look for the option labeled Settings and click it. This will open a panel where you can adjust different aspects of your landing page, including the URL. On the left side of the settings panel, you'll see a sidebar with several options. Click on Domain Name. This is where you control which domain your landing page will use, as well as the end part of the link, often called the slug. Now, in the domain dropdown, select the domain you want this page to live on. This might be a default Kit domain or a custom domain you've already connected to your account. Below that, you'll see a field called Page URL. This is where you type in your custom slug. For example, you could enter freebie, newsletter, or the name of your lead magnet. Keep it short, clear, and relevant so your audience knows what to expect. After typing in your custom URL slug, make sure you click Save. This step is important. If you forget to save, your changes won't be applied. Once it's saved, your landing page will be available at the new, clean URL you just created, ready to share in your emails, social media posts, and anywhere else you promote your lead magnet.